Hi everyone, I have a very special unboxing for you today. This is the N2 Makeup Coat 5-drawer makeup organizer. Now, this came absolutely well packed. I was shocked. There are 3 layers of packing, which I absolutely love that companies take so much care in making sure your products arrive safe and sound and not damaged. So the first layer is styrofoam. I had a little bit of trouble removing both sides. I kind of had to wiggle it a little bit from each angle, but I finally was able to remove it. Then you have bubble wrap. I really tried to do this with my hands because it is like taped up, but make sure you guys have scissors because it's just going to make your life a whole lot easier. The last layer is like a really thin film, and finally guys, we're able to actually see the product in all its glory. This is what you've been waiting for. Now stop guys, look at these knobs. How cute are they? This is the acrylic organizer set up. I wanted to give you guys a close-up just so you can see how sparkly these knobs are. Oh my gosh, they're my absolute favorite. One thing I really loved about this organizer is that the lid on top, you're actually able to tilt it back if you want it open. And there's so much space on top as well. You can fit practically everything. I really wanted to showcase a bunch of skincare products since those are mainly larger than your usual makeup collection, and everything fits, nothing gets stuck. As you can see here, there's a bunch of really big and bulky products, and they were able to slide right into the drawer with no problem. You have some makeup palettes that are full size, again with the skincare. You have so much product that can fit. And as you can see, I love my pink theme, and that's what I'll be using this makeup organizer for. I hope you guys enjoyed my quick unboxing for the N2 Makeup Coat 5-drawer organizer. It is acrylic, and if you guys were thinking of buying this, I highly recommend. It's amazing. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!